Okay guys, so welcome to my channel Graphic Art. So in this tutorial I'll be demonstrating you how to create this uh, energy board logo using INKSCAPE. So let's get started. Okay, so let's open this INKSCAPE, and I will just make a square like this, and I will go to path, object path. Now I will click on this edit paths by node tool and drag this node over here and delete this. Now take this handle here and snap it to this node, and take this handle here and snap it to this node. Okay, so like this, and now I will just drag it a little bit here. Okay, I will duplicate this. Okay, so I will just place it here. I will make it this color like this. I will duplicate this, and I'm just gonna place it here. Let me just turn this off, and now uh, I will just place it here, and I will increase its size like this. Okay, like this. Now I will duplicate this, press shift, click on this and go to path, intersection like this. Okay, so now I will take this, I will make a rectangle, and I will just take this handle and drag it over down like this. Make sure you have this on. When scaling rectangles, scale the radius of rounded corners. This should be turned on. I will just zoom in. I will place it here. I will duplicate this, press shift, click on the pink triangle, and I will just go to path and difference. Again I will do the duplicate, press shift, now click on this black one and path, difference like this. I will place it here. I will just make it some other color. Let's take pink like this. Okay, duplicate this, press shift, click on this orange one and difference. Duplicate this, press shift, click on this pink one and difference. Duplicate and press shift, click on this black one and difference. So here we now click on this, and I will just, now we have to fill the colors. Okay, I will open the fill and stroke menu. You can open it from here, and I will just give it linear gradient. Press G on the keyboard. I will make it pink like this. Now I will click on this, and I will just make it pink like this here, and I will give it linear gradient also. Here I will make a give it a yellow shade, like this, and here I will give it a like this. Okay, so now I will just zoom in and take the Bezier pen. Now you make sure you have this snap to pads on. Now click on this, snap it here, snap it here, and create a selection like this, and just give it a linear gradient, make it black, or just simply decrease the opacity like this. I will just give it a simply a little blur like this. Okay, that's it. I think we have pretty much completed. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and comment whatever you want in the comment section. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and see ya.